more questions. So the next question is this. This is the carbanion, right? And benzene is substituted. The first one case in A, benzene is substituted at para position, OCOCH3 is there, and here the benzene is substituted at ortho and para position. Para position OCOCH3 and at ortho position CHO group is there, right? So this OCOCH3 shows the minus M effect because the lone pair of electron oxygen shifted towards the oxygen, and here the pi electron shifted towards the carbon, right? So it decreases the electron density. So that means the minus M effect. Minus M effect. Here also the minus M effect. And CHO group, it also shows the minus M effect, right? And carbanion proportional to minus M effect, because minus M effect groups decreases the electron density, withdraws the electron density, and make the carbanion more stable, right? So this two minus M effect groups, here one minus M effect showing groups. So this is the more stable than the first one. Now come to the next question. So in this question, carbanion is there again, and here is the NO2 group substituted benzene and CHO group substituted benzene. Both are at the para positions, and you know NO2 group shows the minus M, withdraws the electron, and aldehyde group also shows the minus M, and you know carbanion is directly proportional to the minus M effect. So here NO2 shows the more minus M effect than the CHO group. Minus M effect. NO2 shows more than CHO group, right? So this will be the more stable. Now the next question. Here carbocation this time. So carbocation and benzene is substituted with the nitrogen, substituted with phenyl groups, right? So phenyl groups, two phenyl groups are there, and phenyl groups here from one phenyl group. So phenyl groups withdraws the electron density from the benzene or the atom attached, because it delocalizes the electron within the benzene ring. So it withdraws the electron density, means it shows the minus M effect. Minus M. Here is also minus M, but here is 2 pH, 1 pH, 1 phenyl, 2 phenyl. Here only 1 pH, means right, this will be the more stable than the 2 pH groups, right? Now come to the next question. Here again the carbocation is there, and benzene are substituted at para positions. In first it is OCOCH3, in second it is OH, right? And OCOCH3 and OH both shows the plus M effect, right? And plus M effect, carbocation is there. So this time carbocation is there. So carbocation is directly proportional to the plus M effect. So that means because it increases the electron density at carbocation and make the carbocation more stable, decreases the positive charge, right? So here OH group shows plus M effect. OH more than OCOCH3, right? So here this will be more stable than this. Now the next question is, here is carbanion and the benzene is substituted with NO2 and NO. So here NO2 group shows the minus M effect, and NO group shows also the minus M effect, and minus M effect, NO2 group is more than NO group, right? So here this becomes, because it withdraws the electron density and decreases the negative charge at carbanion and make the carbanion more stable. So here this species become more stable than this, right? Hope these are questions has been clear to you. And one thing I would like to say you, that if you like my lectures, my questions, my methods, my tricks, and my method of descriptions, then please like, share and subscribe, and share the questions and share the lectures to the more students as much as you can, right? Because the concept must be clear to the every student and the question must be in the reach of every student, right? So please like, share and subscribe. Now the next questions. So here are some more questions about the mesomeric effect. This time acid strength order questions are there. So now the first question is, the four species are given. First question, first species, second, third and fourth. So in all four species, they are the phenols. This is OH group, benzene ring, OH benzene and phenols are there. Now these are benzene ring are substituted with nitro group. Here is 3 nitro groups, here is 2 nitro, 1 nitro and neither kind of nitro is there. And nitro group shows so minus M effect. That means here minus M, here minus M, here minus M. 3 minus M groups are there. Minus M means it withdraws the electron system from the species. So here it withdraws the electron system from the OH groups and make the OH bond weak, more polar, and it is easy to break, right? So that means more easily H positive gives, means more will be the acidic. So here this species will be more acidic. 3 minus M groups are there. Here 2 minus M groups, 1 and then 2 nitro groups are there. So it will be on the second position. Here 1 minus M, here it is the third position and here is no minus M group is there, only phenol is there. That means it is at last position. Acid strength order, right? Now come to the next question. Here is phenol, here is, this is the OH group is not directly attached to the benzene ring. It attached to the alkyl group. That means it is aliphatic alcohol. Alkyl group is attached to the OH, right? Here is also cyclohexane. That means it is an alkyl group, not benzene it is, right? So the OH group easily break, easily H positive gives more the acid strength. So here this benzene decreases, it is an electron withdrawing group. So the oxygen lone pair of electron in the conjugation of the benzene ring gives phenoxide ion after H positive release. Means this is the OH. If this is going to be H positive plus phenoxide ion. So this is the conjugate base of this acid, right? Conjugate base. More stable the conjugate base, more strong will be the acid, right? So here the conjugate base is more stable because the resonance is there with the benzene. So it is the more strong acid in among all these three. Now this is the aliphatic. Conjugation is not there with the oxygen lone pair of electrons. Conjugation is not there. That means resonance is not there. It is not resonance stabilized. Now this alkyl group, this is also alkyl group in this, but here the benzene group is attached and benzene affects somewhat electron withdrawing effect, right? Like minus I effect. So that means it is more stable than this because it is a pure alkyl group. Alkyl group shows the plus I effect, right? So here this is the first, this is second and this is third, the acid strength. Now come to the next question. In next question phenol is there and nitro group is attached. And even though the nitro group is minus M showing group, minus M, right? In this the NO2 group is at meta position and we know at meta position NO2 group doesn't effect. So here minus M not shown because NO2 at meta position, right? Here NO2 at ortho position, minus M ortho position. Here neither kind of NO2 group is there, it is simple phenol. So here the acid strength is NO2 group para, NO2 group ortho, minus M electron withdrawing groups. It increases the acid strength. So here mole minus M effect. It is at para position. So this is, and here this forms the H bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. That means this will be the more acidic in case of this one. So here, if we are going to A, B, C, D, so the A, then C, ortho position, then here between B and D, NO2 at meta position doesn't affect, minus M not shown, but it is an electron withdrawing group itself. So it shows more than this because it doesn't have any kind of NO2 group is there. So B will be more than A, right? So this is the acid strength among the given species. So these are all about the questions and all about the mesomeric effect, types and key points and questions, practice questions. All the questions about the mesomeric effect, its type and questions how to solve that has been clear to you, right? So thank you.